subscribe for more. Welcome back to Origami videos. Let's make this Christmas stocking together. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters, but you can help yourself with this video up here. And we'll start by folding a centimeters of our upper line downwards. So we'll fold it just a little bit. And press it down like this. And now we will fold this bottom line of the paper and align it with this upper line so that we'll fold this part of the paper in half. Like this. And now we will open it, turn it around and fold it again in half on the middle line. Like this. Now we will open it and we'll fold both outside lines to the middle line so that we'll fold each halves in another additional halves. So on one side and on the other side. Just like this. And now we'll flip our paper over and fold it on this upper line that we have already so that it's in half. So just fold it upwards like this. Now we'll fold this diagonal line. Start from the corner that you have it and flip this part over so that these middle lines and this corner align. So from the corner one and align the other corner, and now press just the bottom half of the paper downwards on one side, and now the same on the other side. So from this corner, flip this corner upwards, align it with the middle line, and again from one corner to the middle, press just the bottom part of the paper like this. And now if we take this upper layer of the paper and we close it together, it will fold on our already existing lines, you see. And now just bring this part up and close it like this. Now we will tuck one part of the paper into this pocket that we made, let's say this, slide it inwards, and now you can close your sock and you have a pocket right here, so you can add a gift in it or a tag name and press it down. Now we are almost finished with our sock. All we need to do is just fold those two edges and fold it in so that we have a nice line of the sock. So fold one in like this, and now open it and press it down on the lines. So just reverse fold it on the lines that we made. So one, and now we will do the same exact on the bottom part. Press it down, and now just flip one over on the other side so it go in, and just like this you made your origami stocking.